Hello friends, this is KD and you are watching Learning and Sharing with KD. In this video we are going to see one of the best Google Chrome extension for taking SOPs and screenshots for your user guide. So just move to the Google Chrome extensions. Just search scribe documentation and SOP screenshots. Okay, and just click on add to Chrome. It will add the scribe extension on your browser. Now you can see Scribe is successfully installed on your Chrome browser. Just create your Scribe account and that's it. I have created my Scribe account. So let's see the demo. Let's first add Scribe on your browser. Just click on it and start recording. It has started capturing the screen. Just click on the menus, whichever menus you want, and it will directly create one SOP for your user guide. I will click on manage videos. I want to showcase how to edit the videos. And whenever you want to stop your recording, just click on the stop recording. It will create a perfect user guide for you. So you can copy and share the URL link. You can export the entire document in PDF format as well. You can share this document. You can export it in this format. You can PDF export, HTML export, export as markdown. Now I want to export it in PDF so that I can showcase you how our user guide look like. It is saying your PDF is ready. Take a look. Let's see how our user manual look like. Here you can see Scribe has successfully created our user manual. First I have clicked on home, then I go to videos, then I go to playlist. Like this way you can prepare your user manual easily. Thanks for watching.